The online store in India for Apple has now launched. We were reporting on this leading up to it. It was a big deal. Up until this point, Apple has not had a one-to-one relationship, has not had an online store in India. They're beginning to take it seriously. And in fact, if you go onto the Apple Store India's website, you will see a custom look, a look that I have not seen on any of the other regional websites. And that look is, it's very India-centric, namaste, and the design of it. The Apple Store Online is open. Here are just some of the great advantages exclusive to shopping directly with us. And again, this is not what you experience if you just go to the regular apple.com store. They're trying to explain all the things they can do for you now because people in India haven't had the Apple Store experience previously. You can shop with Apple specialists. No contact delivery for free. Choose how you pay, ways to buy. Of course, this is the financing stuff, which is going to be interesting in that market. I'm curious to see how it's received in that market. You tell me if you're watching from India, are you interested in the financing or do you prefer to just pay outright? Here's my money, you take it. I will not pay you over time. It depends on your perspective on credit in general. This is another interesting one. Turn your old phone into an iPhone. You see that? They didn't say turn your old iPhone into an iPhone because there's not that many iPhones in India. Remember, it's been reported as low as 1%, Will. And so they say turn your old phone into, so they may even buy.
Oh, this website is...
Uh-oh, did you just break Apple's website?
Oh, okay. Oh, I right-clicked.
They only show you the value of other iPhones. Interesting. So maybe it should have said turn your old iPhone into a new iPhone because they're only buying iPhones by the looks of it. But here you can see the prices they're willing to pay for your old iPhone. It's kind of wild, man. An iPhone 6S Plus, 9,000 rupees. I don't know what that breaks down, but that's an older device. I presume some of them are out there. An iPhone XS Max gives you up to 35,000 rupees to put towards your new phone. Of course, they're not going to just send you that cash. It's not a straight up sale. Make your new Mac your way. So configure to order. There were never custom order Macs in the past. So if you're in India and you've always been wanting to configure that ridiculously priced Mac Pro, like the one that's under your desk, Willie Do, how dare you?
Yeah, that's just lying there.
You can do that now for fun, for free. You don't have to order it. You just put everything on and be like, look at that. That's $100,000. Get more from your device with a free session. Support is on call or chat. You can talk directly to Apple for support. And then, of course, Apple Care Plus for the warranty stuff, all now available. And, of course, all the products, too, which will presumably be in stock more frequently than having to deal with resellers. So shout out to India. Shout out to Apple. Finally take India seriously. Get the online store going. That's the right move.